versus Ethereum, what's the difference? While Bitcoin is the king of digital money, Ethereum is changing the game with smart contracts and decentralized applications. But how does it work? Let's find out. Ethereum was created in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin as more than just a cryptocurrency. While Bitcoin was designed to be digital gold, Ethereum is a decentralized platform that allows developers to build apps without relying on banks or tech giants. Ethereum runs on blockchain technology just like Bitcoin. But here's the twist. It supports smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements with no need for a middleman. Think of them as automated digital contracts that execute only when conditions are met. Unlike Bitcoin, which is mainly used for payments and as a store of value, Ethereum powers an entire ecosystem of decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, and Web3 applications. Ethereum has evolved. With Ethereum 2.0, the network shifted from proof of work, POW, to proof of stake, POS, reducing energy consumption by 99% and making transactions faster and cheaper. Ethereum powers many real-world applications. DeFi, decentralized finance, borrow, lend, and trade crypto without banks. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Digital art, collectibles, and gaming items. dApps, decentralized apps. Apps that run without middlemen. Imagine a world where you don't need a bank to lend, borrow, or trade assets. That's what decentralized finance or DeFi is all about. Powered by Ethereum, DeFi applications let people access financial services without relying on banks or middlemen. On platforms like Aave, Compound, and Uniswap, you can earn interest on your crypto, take out loans instantly, and trade assets 24/7. All without a bank approving your transactions. This is a global, permissionless financial system, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Have you heard of digital art selling for millions of dollars? That's thanks to NFTs or non-fungible tokens, powered by Ethereum. Unlike regular cryptocurrencies, NFTs are unique digital assets that prove ownership of art, collectibles, music, and even virtual land. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation let artists and creators sell their work directly, without intermediaries taking a cut. Ethereum's blockchain ensures each NFT is one of a kind and cannot be duplicated, making digital ownership as valuable as physical property. Ethereum continues to grow with upgrades like Shardane, making transactions even faster. Some say it's the future of the internet. What do you think? Which is better, Ethereum or Bitcoin? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay crypto smart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.